And you will never have understanding without wisdom. And hence you need the knowledge. You follow the knowledge. God will give you the wisdom. And you continuing the knowledge and acting in the knowledge will give you understanding. So that's W for wisdom. And to disconnect to God or being connected to God will bring you into wisdom. Without it, you don't have it. X is the unknown or unknowing. Unknowing is the blind, the deaf, and the dumb. Without knowledge and knowing, there is only fear of the unknown. And usually you become afraid, but when you try to ask what exactly you're afraid of, that's the unknown. So there are people that says, well, I'm afraid of nothing, which means you're afraid of nothing. You're afraid of the unknown. You just literally said you're afraid of the devil. But if you say, I am not afraid, carries more weight than say, I am not afraid of nothing. And so X is the unknown. But that's only when you walk in ignorance, as opposed to walking in the known. 25 is Y, the letter Y, or WHI, as on Y, is a question for those in search for the truth, for those who search for truth and not lies. God is the only truly worthy to answer it, for there is no other. Once you know, you go from ignorant, from believing, to knowing. Zigzag zig, 26Z. Going zig through the beginning, from knowledge to begin the zag, in choosing to go through the way of understanding and reborn, then completing the entire cycle of ciphering the code of 7 with 3 and 4. Again, 3 is the top, the pyramid. The 4 is the 4 square, meaning wisdom, knowledge, and following understanding. The 4 squared actions with only the 4 positive squared. As you continue on this journey, all will be revealed. And in regards, there's a lot of different religions, but there is only one God. We only follow one understanding, but the problem is that there's too many people that do not understand the entirety of God's word. But through the human instruction, we can all find keys. You can all have the key that opens all books. So like I said about the Muslims, if they accept the human instruction, they will be no longer afraid to have any religion of any book, because then they can decipher it and see if there's anything true or good of it, and they're not afraid to have other people's books or whatever, because you have supreme knowledge. Okay, that's it for race. Next, we're going to follow the next subject, sex. What is it?